with a history of 100 years, is not only a car brand, but also a kind of culture. On the basis of the changeable triangular texture unit seized from the conception car, Next 100, Archihope combined the geographical feature to complete a unified and high-quality design from building renovation to landscape and interior space. The building is located beside the Gaodian Road, Pidu District, Chengdu, with a total floor space of more than 10,000 square meters. The designers set up a second layer of skin, anodized perforated facade outside the main body of the building. It brings shade in summer and creates heat insulation in winter. Like a layer of ecological skin, it makes the building more environmentally friendly. The original intention of the design for the whole space is to be social and transparent, so the double-layer space on the whole floor should be integrated. The geographical feature of Chengdu that inspires the design inspiration of architects is that the surface water of the Pidu District is a river system composed of distributaries from the precious bottleneck Nijianyang River of Duzhangyang. Therefore, the architect did not do too much work on space partitioning, but focus on the moving line design of the hall. The feel, architecture, people, car, lifestyle, and BMW brand concept are connected to the form and arrow symbol, pointing to the future in a design language that changes are derived from one unit. Archihope thinks that a good design is not a pile of materials. For example, as an environmentally friendly material, the wood grain aluminum profile will not release harmful elements such as radon and formaldehyde, etc., and it can protect the ecological environment by replacing solid wood and reduce the waste of material resources. The facade, made of white stainless steel, are reusable, which can achieve the sustainable concept of reuse.